Trading with my best friend. Okay, what will you trade me for this wacky shark? Oh! You know what? Stop going backwards. Get here. Okay, I'll trade you. What can you trade me for this mini bird? Oh, she's so over. I am going to add these two Play-Dohs. Add one more thing. Okay, deal.
What will you give me for this puppet first?
Okay, I'll go get something right now. These two pups.
Oh my gosh, it's a good toy. Come back here, doggies. 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 Doggies.
I got that.